Maths, class 10th maths. Now we will solve some more question on some application of trigonometry chapter 9. Now question number 11. A TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. From a point on the other bank directly opposite the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. From another point 20 meter away from this point on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of the elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. See the given figure. Now in this figure, AB is a tower and from C point the angle of elevation of top is 60 degree and behind it at D point the angle of elevation is 30 degree. Now DC is 20 meter. Now again in the question you can see we have to find the height of the tower. Okay, width of the CD is given in question 20 meter. Now according to the figure, solution is, let the height of the tower is here figure AB and H meter and X be the width of the canal BC. BC is the width of the canal. Okay, C is the bank and B is bank. Now in right triangle ABD, in figure you can see in the triangle ABD, tan 30, perpendicular upon base, perpendicular is AB and base is BD. So BD can be right here DC plus CB and DC is given 20 meter. Value of tan 30 you know 1 bar root 3. AB is H, DC is 20 plus CB is X. So using these equations cross multiply we can find the value of X equal to H root 3 minus 20. Now in another triangle ABC, use tan 60, perpendicular upon base, AB upon BC. Okay. Now you can see tan 60 is root 3, H upon X, X equal to H upon root 3. Now from equation 1 and 2, we have to solve the value of H. Put X in the equations. So H root 3 minus 20 equal to H upon root 3. Take the H one sided and take H common and LCM. You get H equal to 20 root 3 upon 2. Then 10 root 3. Putting this value H equal to 10 root 3 in equation 2, you get the value of X, that is 10 meter. Okay. So you can find the height of the tower 10 root 3 meter and width of the canal is 10 meter. This type in the question you have to always make two equations then solve. Okay. So now the next question number 12. From the top of a 7 meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. Now you can see here from DC in figure, okay, that is 7 meter height of the building. From C point the angle of elevation of AB at A point is 60 degree and depression angle is 45 degree. Now in figure you can see alternate angle ECB is equal to CBD is equal to 45 degree. And in rectangle the opposite side CD equal to EB 7 meter. Now let AE is H, therefore AB is H plus 7. Now angle AC is 60 degree, angle ECB is 45 degree. So in triangle CDB you can take tan 45 CD upon DB equal to 7 upon DB. So DB you can solve 7 meter. Now again in triangle ABC tan 60 you can take perpendicular upon base, AE upon CE, H upon 7 equal to root 3. So you can get H equal to 7 root 3. Therefore total AB equal to H plus 7. 7 root 3 plus 7, you can take the common 7. Therefore 7 root 3 plus 1. In decimal if you want to find, so you can put the value of root 3, that is 1.732. Okay. Now for question number 13. As observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angle of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other in the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. Now look in the figure. AB is lighthouse, and from D and C point the angle of elevation is 30 degree and 45 degree. Now the distance between DC is let x and CB is y. You can see in the figure there are two right triangle. Now in right triangle ABC, tan 45 AB upon BC, 1 equal to 75 upon y, therefore y equal to 75 meter. Now in triangle DBA, ADB or DBA, tan 30 AB upon BD. BD can be written as x plus y. So tan 30 1 by root 3 equal to 75 upon x plus y. Now using cross multiply and put the value of y, you can get the value of x, that is 75 root 3 minus 1. Okay, so distance between two ship is 75 root 3 minus 1. Now next question number 14. A 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line at a height of 88.2 meter from the ground. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at any instant is 60 degree. After some time, the angle of elevation reduced to 30 degree. Now you can see in figure. Find the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval. Now you can see in figure. You can see in figure from the eyes of this 30 degree and one angle is 60 degree. Okay. Now you can using two triangle CDA and CE and CB C. You can solve this two triangle. Okay. Now hint is given. You can use the tan 60 AB upon BC. Put that value of tan 60. Now BC equal to 87 upon root 3. Now again, second triangle tan 30. You can find the value of tan 30. You see get the 87 root 3 meter. You can see height of the girl is subtracted. Okay. Now in second questions number 15. A state highway leads to the foot of the tower. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degree which is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from the point. Now you can see in figure. From D point, the angle of depression of 2 points A and B is 30 degree and 60 degree. Okay. DC you have to find. Let BC is x, distance, time is t, let the speed of the car be x meter. Now speed, distance equal to speed into time. So distance BC is t into x, time into speed. Okay, and again AB distance is 6 into x. 6 is time second and x is speed. So AB is distance 6x. Using formula speed equal to distance upon time. Okay. Now in right triangle you can make two equation for tan 60 degree. DC upon BC h equal to root 3 into tx, and in right triangle other tan 30 you can use 1 by root 3 h upon 6x plus tx. So using these two equation you can solve for t, and that is 3 seconds. Hence the required time taken by the car is 3 seconds. Student, you have to try to solve this type of the equations in practice copy. Okay, now we can go to next question. 16. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower and the same straight line with it are complementary. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. What is the mean of the complementary angle? If the sum of two angles is 90 degree, then each other are complementary of each other. Let angle AQ be in figure is theta and APB is complementary, therefore it is 90 minus theta. Okay, this you have to understand. What is the means of complementary angle? Right? Now for tan 90 minus theta in figure, perpendicular upon base, h upon 4. Tan 90 minus theta in trigonometry you have learned, that is cot theta. Okay, so h equal to 4 cot theta. Now in another triangle, tan theta equal to AB upon QB, h upon 9 equal to tan theta, h equal to 9 into tan theta. Multiply these two equations, h into h, 4 cot theta into 9 tan theta, and you can solve this, right? You can write cot theta is 1 upon tan theta is cancelled, so h square equal to 36, so h equal to 6 meter, hence the height of the tower is 6 meter. This is a very important questions, okay student. So go through this all two question, try to solve all in practice copy with calculations. Okay, bye.